Hi guys, welcome to another content from Bezalel of Tech. So right now, with the new wave of Claude and other AI tools, I'm going to be showing you guys how to design something like this cool real estate template using free tools. So what we're actually going to be using here is actually going to be ChatGPT and Google Studio. That is what we're actually going to be doing. So all we are going to be doing is prompting. So I'm going to be showing you all of my raw process, which I'm actually going to be teaching you guys and showing you how to design this so we can have a proper website. So right now, let's dive in. Let me go to my account, and all you have to do, come to Pinterest, pick any of these. So I pick this. This is it here. So this is what I want to design. So right now, I'm going to come to ChatGPT. I will show you guys my step-by-step process. So all I have to do here is to snipe this section. What I'm going to do, let me reduce this and snipe this section. Let me open my sniping tool, which you're actually going to see, and I'm going to snipe this section. Save as. So I'm going to name it real estate. Just want it to be a cool video with no edits. So all I have to do right now is to come here, add photos. That's it, real estate. So what I'm actually going to be doing here is to paste the prompt, which I'm going to say, please recreate this image, this hero section, without a background. Make sure you leave the content with a black background and an aspect ratio of 16.9. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. So you can see that these are free tools which we can actually use. So it's sketching it out. All I have to do now is open Google Studio. So this is free. Take note of that. This is free, and this is actually going to generate cool result for us. I'm not going to lie, especially if you're a beginner, you're trying to build project. I tried this out yesterday, and the result I had was quite amazing. I'm not going to lie to you. It was quite amazing. So we just want to build this to make it look luxury, to make it look beautiful. So that is why I'm recording this video. So let's wait for that. So the next thing which we're actually going to be doing is to animate this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate another version of the building in this hero section with this blue background. And I'm not going to go to Google Flow. I'm going to animate that image with cool animation, which is actually going to make it look poppy and make it look very unique, like those $5,000 websites you're actually going to see when you visit on our.com. So that is what I'm actually going to do next. Then after that, I'm going to add every other section. So it's actually going to look real and look realistic. So let's just wait and be patient with me so this thing can go on. Okay, ChatGPT didn't follow through. Let's view it. Let's reprompt it. So I'm going to say it should have a pure black background and remove the house image. So let's see. Let me open Google Flow here. So we are going to animate that other image, Google Flow. So can you see it? So it's adding final touches. So let's just be patient. So this is where we are going to animate the image. So just watch with me. So we're actually going to build something unique, something special. Based on how you guys like this video, that is how I'm going to be creating it. If you like the raw process, just give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section that yes, I like a raw process like this. And if you don't like it, just comment that I'll prefer this video to be edited, where you have everything laid out in a document and you just give us to actually do it. But one thing I just want to show is I want to show you guys that you don't need to have a great prompt. All you just have to do is explain your idea in details and it's actually going to bring it to life. That's all I have to tell you. Yeah, so we have it here. So let me download this image. All I'm going to do now is to come to Google AI Studio and I'm going to paste that image right here. Upload files, and I'm going to paste that image right here. So let's look for that image. Okay, I think I've seen the image. This should be the image. This is it. I want to be sure that's the image. That's not it. Just want to be sure that's the image. So we're actually going to do it well. Yeah, that's the image. What I'm going to do right now is to prompt this. I want you to recreate this hero section with a black background, just like what you have in a mockup. Ensure it is responsive on all devices. All you have to do is to click. So you're seeing that, I'm just going to click run. So it's creating. So all I have to do here is come here right now, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I want you to recreate the attached image without text, just the background color and the house, or a new type of house. So I think let me do it here. This is not actually cool. So let me go copy the text at the top, Ctrl C, and let's come to apps. So let me attach the image again. Yeah, cool. Yes. Look at what it said. It's slightly at the left side. It's what's actually stating what it did there. So we have this. Let me paste this here. Let me use that. So this is where we're coming to next. So you see what we're doing? So it's showing. You can see it. So we're having it in action. Please just be patient with me. I just want to show you guys the raw process rather than having all of these prompts written down somewhere. Please center the house image. I want to animate it, so we have cool animation section. Remember, this is what we're recreating, something like this, which is going to look much more realistic, much more beautiful, and much more real. Trust me, it's something you're actually going to enjoy watching, which you're actually going to do for every of your clients. You can see what we did. Look at the first process. Look at the second process. Can you see that? So it's showing me two images. So look at it. The house has been centered here. If you look at it, it's quite different from here. If you look at it, it's quite different. Try to be at the center. So let's see. Once it generates the two, which one should we go for? I think I'll prefer this because this is kind of having something scrolling up, like something is covering the fence or a layout of the house. So this is actually going to be the best option. Let's pick this. So we've downloaded that. And what we're actually going to do right now is come to Google Flow. Work wonders here. This is where we're actually going to be doing creating wonders. And before that, this is where we're actually going to be hosting the image that we're actually going to be using in the background. We call the platform Cloudinary. So can you see that? So you're going to choose Cloudinary and create an account with Cloudinary, which we're actually going to be hosting the image. Let's see what we have here. Let me see. We're actually looking for the house image. So we are looking for the house image right here. Perfecto. One thing, if you don't know what to actually add, you can tell Google to actually tell you what to do. I love telling Google to tell me what to animate. So let me tell Google now. I want this to be animated. Can you write a perfect prompt? I can provide to Google Flow to animate this. Please ensure it looks real and realistic. Remove voice, just the details of the building. Okay, this is the prompt. And what I'm gonna do right now is come here so you can see it. Paste. Can you see that? Create an 8 seconds ultra realistic cinematic architectural visualization of a luxury modern villa during a bright clear morning. So let's paste. So if you're lost, you can use all of these tools to help you create prompts. They're actually good, trust me. You can actually speak to them. You can speak to any of the AI. I'll tell you what you want. Yes. Let's see. In case my credits are exhausted there, that's why I'm opening the other one. If this is working, you're actually going to see the image getting created in a new tab. Okay, approve. Let's see. It's actually going to work. So you can see it's creating already. 0%. It has begun. 2% for right now. 6% right now. So it's so just watch what we have. So let's go to Cloudinary, and we're actually going to be using this to host the image. Because if it paste the image directly, it might not work. So can you see it? this. Can you see that? So let me go host it. So upload image, browse, and I'm actually going to be pasting this image right here. Posting the video, sorry, because that's a video we have. That's this video. Check again. Okay, lock screen more done. Let me refresh. Sure it shows, yeah. So showing now, all I have to do is to come and paste it right here. That's the perfect thing to do in this case. Let me saturate. So can you see it? It's getting uploaded. So what we're actually going to do right now is to go paste this on Google Studio. Perfecto. That's this image. Let me refresh. So we're actually going to see if it's showing or not showing. So showing you guys. So what we have to do right now is to copy this video address, and we're actually going to use this and place it in the background. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Let's go back. I don't like the way it's showing like this. Just want to get the link. Yeah, so you copy this link and you come to this section. Can you see? Yeah, can you see? Look at, very cool. Let's go to mobile. I love this. Can you see? So let's open. Can you see that? So all I have to do right now is to come here and tell it I want this video to be the hero section background. Add a cool scroll effect to make it feel like a luxury website. So click build, send prompt. It's building. Just stealing ideas from there. So for all other sections, we're going to have a blue background, like the sky, and we're going to tell it to add it to those sections. Let's get inspiration from here. Can you see it? It's a very cool website. Very cool. That's the hero section. It added that to the hero section. Look at it. So what are we going to do to the other section? Let's add cool effects to the other section. Or background, what goes with black? Add parallax. I think that's going to be cool. It's one of the best tools you can actually use out there. Your client wants you to quickly send a demo. You can come to this place and go to Pinterest for inspiration, and you just come here and create something very unique. I just love this. I don't want to remove it. So it's cool. I love this platinum. I love the silver outline. Just love what you give us. It's very cool. So if you like this video, trust me, I'm going to be creating more of this content. So you're actually going to be seeing it. So let's see. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. I love the scroll effect. It's like it's expanding. Look at it. Okay. Add cursor interaction. Yes. Just want us to make it feel it's actually going to make sense. It's like a blue sea with mixture with black. I love what we're having. I'm going to show you how to host this so you can actually send to your clients to anyone you actually want to actually preview and see the website. So just watch with me. Can you see it? Very, very cool. Can you see it? This is our luxury website. This is how they had this cool over animation when you just scroll around. So now we're going to tell it, I want you to make other sections, including header, a deep blue sea color, and text content in black to make it feel like a luxury website that is worth $5,000. Click enter. Just watch with me. This is really, really cool. That I found about this tool, I was really excited because it made my work faster by trying to show a client a demo and you can actually see it for yourself. So look at it. Very, very, very cool. So just watch with me as we design this and bring it to life. So we're almost reaching the end of the tutorial. I just want you to just see the raw process rather than edit it. So you're actually going to see how I design and come up with cool projects. So let's just watch and see things from a bigger lens. Yeah, I love the deep blue sea. Yeah. Cool. So what we're actually going to do right now is to download the code. So I'm going to be downloading this code. So let's export. So let's export this download code. Can you see? Avon Luxury Real Estate Hero. So what I'm going to be doing right now, you can create an account on Netlify. Netlify is a place where you host websites. So look at it. Can you see that? So what I'm going to be doing right now is to add it. So all you have to do is come to the browser and you add it. So can you see it? So look at it, it's deploying. So you've seen it. So it's loading. It's taking time. So you're actually going to see the website. When you come to this place and you click on preview, you're actually going to see that it's a very, very cool website. Look at mobile. Cool. I just love it. It's really a cool website. Can you see? No one sees this and say it's AI generated. That's not how. You're actually going to see the cool effect, everything being added, the images. I think my network went off. So let's reconnect again. So it's still deploying. It's still deploying. Let's see. Still in progress. Just waiting for it to get completed so we can have a cool result at the end. Can you see that? Wow, amazing. I just love that effect. Still in progress. So let's just be patient. I think I'm gonna redeploy it again if that is not working. So let me open another Netlify project because this is taking much time. This was when it started showing Netlify build complete. It's still cleaning up. So let's just watch. So this is the last step and last process. So trust me, I'm going to be sharing the link of the final website in the description of this video. I don't want to waste anyone's time, so the tutorial can be over now. But this is how to launch it. When you see it, you're actually going to see a link where you're just going to click and open the website. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe as you're going to be seeing amazing content from me using free and paid AI plans, which I'm actually going to be using to design cool projects. I'm actually going to be showing you how I design amazing projects, how I use this to create mockups that I'm actually going to be showing you guys all of the use of these great platforms. I'm going to be pushing pure code to Shopify and actually working with different things. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and tell every one of your friends about this video, as we're actually going to be creating amazing content from this channel.